If you're someone who has been trying to lose weight over the past several years or wanted to try different kinds of diet, then you might have heard about keto diet or the name ketogenic diet. Keto diet was originally created to treat epilepsy. Today, it's commonly known to many of us because of its efficiency in weight loss. And as a result, there are many keto diet pills available on the market. But before we hop into talking about the keto diet pills, let's know what keto diet is, what it does to our body, and how does a keto diet work? A keto diet is a diet which is actually high in fat, contains moderate protein, and less to no carbohydrate. This diet makes your body feel a state of starvation, which promotes your body to produce more keto acid or ketones in the blood. While doing regular dieting, this process generally starts on the 4th day. It's because that's when your fat cells are being dispatched to the liver, where your fat is converted to ketones. The ketones are used as the body's energy. Now, that's how a keto diet works for your body. And as we are in the discussion, keto pills kind of do the same things, but there are some tweaks. So, in this video, we will know the facts about keto diet pills. While doing the keto diet, many of us limit our carb intake, but with keto pills, most of us don't limit the carbs. Rather, by taking pills, we let our body just increase the ketones. These keto pills have the key ingredient MCT or medium chain triglyceride. This MCT increases the ketone in your blood. But the problem is, it has shorter fatty acids, and so the body breaks them down more quickly than other saturated fats. This means that the keto pill will only increase ketones in your blood, which will not necessarily help you in losing weight. Because when your liver starts feeling that there is more ketone in your blood, it stops producing ketones. As a result, you will get limited to the number of ketones of the pill, and so you may not lose weight at all. Electrolytes are another ingredient that is said to be in keto pills. Electrolytes are basically magnesium and sodium. When you are in ketosis, you will release more salt than usual. And the main concern here is you cannot monitor your electrolytes. So, it's essential to take your electrolytes from your food. In this way, you can monitor your electrolytes intake. Foods like broccoli, Swiss chard, avocado, and white meat have a lot of electrolytes in them. Like most supplements, the keto pills get regulated in the post-market. So, the pills and powder supplements that are sold to the consumers are without the administration of the FDA. Moreover, the FDA also has no administration on the weight loss claims. That's why dietitians suggest your keto pills be purchased from a reputable brand that has tested its supplement by a third party. Brain fog is something that many people experience when they are going through keto for the first time. This makes sense, obviously, because many manufacturers add caffeine to the supplement. Although caffeine helps in boosting energy, still, it can be irritating to many who have caffeine sensitivities. Apart from that, consuming a moderate amount of caffeine is good and has positive effects. Another fact is that there may not be caffeine in the supplements even if they claim. Because, as we have mentioned earlier, these pills are not FDA regulated. And even if there is a caffeine in the pills, sometimes you have to pay 100 times extra bucks for those pills, when you can just brew a cup of coffee at your home. Finally, we can say that eating the right food and maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is the best way to follow the ketogenic diet. Because the results of keto supplements are inconsistent. So take the suggestion of a dietitian or nutritionist before you consume your keto pills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.